What's up guys? Sorry if you can't see me, but I'm riding my skateboard and it might be a little windy, but anyway, welcome to the vlog. Mr. Boss FEO. Mr. Boss for everything, whatever you want to call me. It's so dark. Wait. Very windy guys. Crap. It's so windy, what the heck. I'm just waiting for my parents. I'm in my garden, I guess, my grandma's garden. Well, it's kind of ours, but I'm here and I've actually grown my own plants. Kind of plants, it's cucumber. But I'm gonna show you more there. Yeah, whatever. I'm just tired because I've been riding a skateboard. It's really windy. It's not cold, but it's just really windy. And you can't see me, I'm sorry about that, but whatever. To do this. Whoa! It's like going down a hill. Look how fast it is. This is where I'm growing my cucumber. It's this little blue thing. Can you see that? Right there. I can't get it out, but that's where it is. It's pretty cool. Oh, bee. Oh my god. So beautiful. Roses. I don't know what's inside. No bees, at least. I remember one time a bee just popped out in my face and I shouted so much. I got so scared. Yeah, so beautiful. See all those over there all together? This is a lonely one. So lonely. This tree is useless, but it's just useful for one thing, climbing. When I have a break after I work, actually I have a break for all the time, I never work, but when I have a break at some point, I just climb this tree because it's just the best thing. I'm actually going to show you later. I'm going to climb it. Right now, I just want to work on my little bit of a cucumber because I really want to know what a fresh cucumber tastes like. Sounds so lame, but you know, it's kind of cool when you grow your own stuff. Alright guys, so I'm going to take a break for a little bit, but as I told you earlier, when I take breaks, I climb trees. I'm gonna put my stuff on. I'm also gonna put some gloves on, some farming gloves, because they're like sharp parts and I don't want to bleed, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna put on some gloves. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's start climbing. Can you see me? I'm not sure, but I'm still gonna start climbing. Okay, there goes nothing. It's not very easy to climb this tree. You didn't know. Okay, I'm gonna go higher. I'm pretty high now. Oh god. I don't know if you guys can even see me, but I'm very high up. Oh my god! I'm so high! I'm gonna move the tree. Can you see me now? I'm gonna come down, yeah? I'm gonna come down a little bit. Then you can hopefully see me. If you can't see me, I'm just gonna cut it out. Because, like, it's gonna be boring. Can you see me now? I'm pretty sure. I'm not. Can you see me? It's me. How am I gonna get down? I can jump down, but not from here. This is way too high. So I'm gonna go down a bit, guys. There. Am I even recording? Yes, I am. Okay. Go all the way up. I'm not sure if you saw it or not, but I'm probably gonna zoom into it so you guys can see a bit. Oh, I can see myself finally. I think you did see me. I was like up there, way up there, but I'm not sure. I mean, you might have seen me. How am I gonna get down? It looks super high. How high is this? Should I just jump for it? Whoa, that was so cool, guys. But yeah, I went all the way. Ow, my eye. Crap, wait, what? all the way to that stick. Can you see that small stick right there? Right there. That's pretty cool, guys. Now I'm tired. Ooh. I'm gonna go up and I'm filming there. I'm gonna film there and see what it will look like. Guys, look how high I am. What the heck is going on? Look, that's a big drop. Higher. I can't really film because I'm holding myself here, but I can't hold myself to anything there, so I'm gonna fall. So yeah. Guys, we're leaving now. I have my skateboard. We're leaving now and I'm gonna go to the exit straight away because I really can't be bothered waiting for them. It's gonna take them a long time to come. They're all the way at the back. At the back? At the back. So I'm gonna ride my skateboard a bit here and I'm just gonna wait for them. So yeah. I'm gonna go the fast way. Okay, wait, hold on guys. Guys, I'm home now. Well, kind of home in the garage. Oh yeah. I love riding skateboard. I'm just filming a bit.